Does your inner voice bother you, telling you constantly what you are doing wrong or could do better? If you become aware of your own critical voices, you will manage better to ignore them and to be kinder with yourself. The following questions will help you to find out how your critical inner voice is reacting. Think of an uncomfortable situation you faced in the last days. What was it? Write it down. Did you feel tension, anger, or disappointment in the specific situation? Can you write down what happened in detail, very calmly and rationally, without making the situation bigger or more dramatic? If you make yourself aware that every life has its ups and downs, and that not everything goes smoothly for everyone, what could you tell yourself in regards to this situation? Does it feel different now? Even uncomfortable emotions pass. It helps if one becomes aware of that. Which mistakes have you made, or think you have made, recently? Did you have the feeling that because of these mistakes, that you are not good enough? Is there someone amongst your friends or family who makes similar mistakes but deals with them differently? Could this way of handling situations also work for you? Did you ever try to not plan out a whole day and simply see what unfolds? Would you like to take things easier from time to time? Breathe in deeply. Exhale. Try to experience what you are feeling in this exact moment without exaggerating or leaving something out. Do you feel tension somewhere? Try to describe your experience. If things don't work out the way you want them or turn out differently, can you imagine to honestly ask yourself what is happening at that moment, without judgment or self-critique, but in the same way you just did right now? This makes me feel better. Continue this list for yourself. We know right now it is tough to think about this, but it also gives you a perspective and maybe some inspiration for later on. We hope this little exercise is of use to you. Please feel free to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. Be well, be safe, flood your being with light and trust.